It's Morgan with the Wapiti Regional Library, and welcome to our Science Center. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about or even made your own slime. There's so many different kinds of slime that you can make. But today, we're making fluffy slime. You're going to be obsessed with this slime and be playing with it for days. You will need shaving cream, white glue, contact solution, water, baking soda, glitter, and food coloring. Add the 2/3 cups of glue, the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and the 1/4 cup of water together. Add the 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. You can now add your food coloring and glitter. Slowly add the contact solution and mix. I started out with just adding 1 tablespoon. Stir it and give it lots of time to activate. After I've stirred it for several minutes, I added another 1/2 tablespoon of contact solution. If you find that it's still too sticky, slowly add just a little bit more contact solution. Now you can squish it and play with it as much as you want. Your slime will last about 1 week in an airtight container, but the fluffiness will go away after about a day as the air bubbles slowly leave. Now I'm sure you're wondering, how does slime work? Slime gets its consistency from something called polymers. Polymers is a chain of molecules that is repeating over and over and over again. In our case, the glue is the polymer. When you add an activator, so that's what the contact solution does, it cross-links these molecules together. So that way they don't completely come apart. That's how the slime stretches when you pull on it. You might have also noticed that the slime is cold. That's because there's a chemical reaction occurring within the slime. The slime is pulling in all the heat that surrounds it, leaving it to be cold. This is called an endothermic reaction. I hope you guys make your own slime and have just as much fun with it as I did today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me at my next Science Center.